everyone, my name is Athalie Phau and I'm a clinical psychologist registrar at Athalie Psychology in Mount Pleasant and Canningville. Today I'll be sharing a little bit on generalized anxiety in children and how we can learn some simple strategies to support them. In short, generalized anxiety disorder is characterized by pervasive worry about a variety of things. And for children, some of these things may be performance in school or in sports, worry about making friends, socializing with friends, sometimes also anxiety relating to the safety of their loved ones. Children with generalized anxiety tend to ask worry questions over and over, and some of these questions may sound like, what's going to happen to me? What's going to happen later? What if I don't get to school on time? What if my friends don't talk to me? Am I doing this right? Generalized anxiety can also affect their bodies as well. They might feel shaky, have clammy hands, may tell you about the butterflies in the stomach, headache, dizziness, maybe a racing heart, or some difficulties breathing. And these are really common symptoms of generalized anxiety. And oftentimes the anxiety and worry can be so overwhelming that it can be really hard for them to attend school, have fun, relax with their friends or even at home, and sometimes even have difficulties with sleep and with eating. They might find it difficult to go to school because of this persistent worry, tiredness, or sick feeling that they're having. And for children with generalized anxiety, there's often almost always worry on their minds. Different children respond to their worries in very different ways. Some children with generalized anxiety keep their worries to themselves. Others talk about their worries with a parent or a teacher. They might ask over and over whether something they worry about will happen. And it's hard for them to feel okay no matter what their parent or a teacher says. And so some simple strategies that we can support children with generalized anxiety disorder, firstly, is just simply to provide lots and lots of praise and affirmation, especially when they've gone through a really anxiety-provoking situation. So for example, this might sound like, wow, I noticed how brave you were when you sat with your friends at lunch, or well done for giving your homework a go, even though you felt really scared and you felt like you couldn't do it. And so giving statements such as these can help children boost their confidence in managing anxious situations. Secondly, showing children that we understand them, that we know what they're going through, and encouraging them through those difficult situations can be a powerful tool as well. Sometimes it might be giving them a hug, sometimes it's validating their fears, such as, I know that you're feeling really anxious, I can see that you're feeling really anxious, but hey, I'm here for you, you can always talk to me, we can work through this together. And I think lastly, a really simple way that we can support children struggling with generalized anxiety is to show them how we cope with anxiety ourselves. So this is something that we call role modeling. And if we're able to role model supportive and positive ways of managing our anxieties, it's more likely that they too will look, see and learn how to cope with their own anxieties in the present and in the future. And so some simple strategies could be through breathing, maybe talking to a friend, maybe facing our fears in spite of having them, and having positive encouragement and reinforcement from the people around us. And so just as a quick summary, generalized anxiety is pervasive worry about a wide array of things that can occur in children and in adults. And some simple strategies that we can do are to validate, to encourage, to show lots of praise and affirmation, and to be positive role models ourselves. If this video resonates with you, or if you would like to have a little bit more information on this, do give us a call at 6381-0071. And as always at Athalie Psychology, we are here to work together with you to flourish and thrive.